yung 19-year-old drag alter from Taguig, from representing the House of All-Stars. Hindi ka naman. May tanong ako.
Ano yun?
Maganda ba ako?
Pag-iisipan namin.
Kulang pa. Maganda ba ako?
Hindi pa kami lasing.
Naniniwala ako sa isang katagang. Ang letrang B ay para sa Borat.
May wag kang ganyan yung mga nanonood sa ating bata. Paalala, the views and opinions of our drag queen artists do not reflect the views and opinions of our Robert! Nasip na naman to. Opa! Nagpunta ka pa ng Germany, ha? Ano natatago siya sa background? Kaya pala siya nag-resign as DepEd Secretary. Nagdadran. Hello. My name is Miss Fortune Lopez from the House of House and Binetnan. And naniniwala ako sa isang kasabihan. Kasi Perea, we are better together. We're all in this together. Pinig mo na yung BBL. For this runway look, I am serving the Swan King. Swan. She's giving not one, but two. Back drop, back drop, back drop, back drop. Nagkamay ka pa ng tansyan sa bebe, Good evening, Dreamers Philippines! Standing in front of you is a 24 years of age. My name is Labor Villa, but tonight please do allow me to stand by the name of my drag persona, which is the meaning of love, l'amour. That is the name of my mom and my dad. And tonight, I am representing ang house ng mga palaban. The House of Champions. The House of Aura! Paano kami nagbabanker? Yung pangalan ng namin. Oh, go JC! Presidente ng Lupus, sumali ba?
Pakinggan ang sabi nila. Focus on the goal, give them a smile. Go girl, eyes on the prize. All right, it's the runway, gotta walk and slay. On your spot, show them right away.
What's up, Trippers? My name is Maria Leonora Teresa Margarita Conchita, also known as Birdie Bulak, from the House of Elements! May kasabihan sila, so magkakasabihan din ako. Magpalakpakan natin ang Virgin! Thank you! Because in Ludos, we are not just gorgeous, we are not delicious!
Show them right away.
Oh! POV, yung sisi mo na binabasa mo yung papel.
Sila.
Grabe ka na, parang March!
Soft aura.
Yeah! Oh! From the house of Eros!
Pakinggan ang sabi nila.
Haponesa!
Give them a smile.
Haponesa!
Eyes on the prize. So light. It's a runway, gotta walk its way. Own your
Go Kagura! Go Kagura! Go! Ay, oh! Ginawang damay, diba? Pinatawa ng bulak na. Ay, chef, may reveal ka. Ay, oh! Let's welcome Volta!
My name is Tontoy Vivo, aka Honey Bravo, ang botang drag queen from the house of Aura! At naniniwala sa simpleng kasabihan.
Wala ating Cheche, oh.
Again, at naniniwala sa simpleng kasabihan. Anhin pa ang mga damo kung kinain ko na ang lahat ng kabayan! Thank you!
Thank you so much! Honako! Wonderful! Hello!
Pakinggan ang sabi nila. Focus on the goal. Give them a smile. Go, girl. Eyes on the prize. So light.
Aminin! Face card! Survey!
Show them right
Good evening, Trippers Philippines!
Go Erickson!
It's nice to be back. Most of you know me as Erika Illustre. But tonight, I came from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And my name is Luz Biminta. I'm proud to represent the House of Aura. Thank you.
Thank you so much! Esmir!
Ika'y maganda, ika'y sapat na. Huwag mong pakinggan ang sabi nila.
Bakit nagagalit sila? Ba't makapatay nila yung music?
God! Hi! Wala bang masibago? Masibago? Wala bang masigabong palakpakan dyan? My name is Rubia Labish, and I am from the House of All Stars because I am what? I'm a motherfucking star. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Motherfucking Star!
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
What's up, Tripper? Isa pa! What's poppin', motherfucking Trippers? My name is Mix Icy, representing the House of All-Stars! Yes. At naniniwala sa kasabihan. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, Tripper! Wala bang sigawan na may palakpakan dyan? I am Targetation. I am your tall nomination. At I am the lead niyo naman ako. I am Billy Tall and representing from the House of All Stars. Because I am what? The puppy born as a star.
Kanina mga topics, Monica. Thank you so much, Luna, for the House of All Stars.
I'm so excited! On your spot, show the right your way.
Kaya paano wala si Chimo? Si Chimo naman.
Go, Gino!
Di ba siya yung nagbibenta ng tayong sa TikTok?
ASS PTCA Aesthetica Lopez from the House of Infinite Nights.
Thank you so much, Jo Marie.
Sabi nila, focus on the goal, give them a slice. Go, girl, eyes on the prize. Alright, it's your own way, gotta walk and slay. On your spot, show them right your way.
Ay, isa ka daw, from the top.
Okay. Quiet everyone.
Hello, Miss Universe! Miss Universe!
My name is Kendra, representing the House of All Stars. Na naniniwala sa kasabihan, pag binatukan ng bato, gawin mo stepping stone. And I thank you.
E paano kung yung bato, stone, no?